Hello everyone, we are from Team Bitwisor and here we are going to present our idea Pratirakshak, your medical vault on the go. So here is the list of our team members Utkarsh Arora, Akhila Srivastav and Arpit Charasia. So our main problem statement is there is currently no medical document vault on the market where a patient can store his or her medical records in order to keep them safe for future use. There is currently no decentralized network that stores a person's medical history from the moment of diagnosis. Assume that a person has met with an accident and is unable to share the medical documents immediately, as a result of which they are unable to obtain proper medication on time. Some patients have specific illness for which doctor must take extra precautions and prescribe appropriate treatment based on their prior medical history. Some people who do not know how to operate various medical equipment turn to their family member or close friends for assistance. People are sometimes unable to consult a doctor during odd hours due to the doctor's unavailability, which might have serious impacts on patients' overall health.
So, I will be going to explain you about our proposed solution and use cases. The patient's medical history can be maintained in the form of blocks on a blockchain, which can be used to keep a secure and decentralized records of transactions. To share the medical history with someone, simply scan the QR code displayed on the patient's device. The medical history can be shared instantaneously with the user by scanning the QR code. This would be extremely useful in the event of an accident, as all of the medical history would be available at the right moment. Apart from securely sharing the medical information, the patient can also organize his medical documents. The app also uses AR/VR technology to demonstrate the use of various medical tools that are highly complicated to use. A chatbot is accessible 24 by 7 for immediate assistance in the event of minor health issues, and the location of the nearest healthcare center can be found via our application when required.
So here is the workflow of our application. The medical history will be entered by the user or by the network of doctors via our website or by our mobile application. The entered data will be stored on our decentralized backend servers in the form of blocks. The mobile application request for the data and after successful authentication of the user, the JSON data will be provided by the server as a response to the GET request. The fetch data will be shown to the user. In case if someone scans the QR code of the patient, a unique user ID will be extracted by the QR code and sent to the helper's device and medical history of the patient will be viewed by him.
Now, let's talk about how our solution is different from the similar existing products in the market. This is a groundbreaking idea which will help to decrease the mortality rates in patients and will help to enhance the network of doctors across the globe. The convenience of fetching all the medical documents as well as the medical history of the patient by just scanning a QR code. The usage of AR/VR in guiding people by helping them operate different medical equipments is a worth adding feature. The major pillar of our business model will be B2C channel via subscription basis, because if a person who needs to access our services has to pay a fixed monthly or yearly one-time fee in order to take full advantage of our application. The inclusion of the doctor chatbot will help serving people who need urgent prescription of some common ailments such as fever, headache, acidity, etc. Can just ask to our bot and it will provide all the necessary information in order to get rid of the problem as soon as possible.
So here are the reference images of our idea.
So, we understand the urgent need of the hour to help out people, and we are committed to cater their needs. This initiative can become a giant leap in helping the society to increase the overall life expectancy of the humans. This is the right time for everyone for us to take right steps. Together, we can and we will make a difference. Thank
Thank
you.
you.